Are you looking for the top 5 best bushcraft knives for survival? How much should you actually spend on a bushcraft knife? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Craft 911 Folding Saw. The Craft 911 folding camping saw caught my eye with its heavy-duty design and price tag of just $17.99. If you want an efficient cutting tool for bushcraft and camping, this is worth a serious look. This saw features a triple-cut SK5 high-carbon steel blade designed for aggressive cutting. It boasts 7 TPI razor teeth that easily slice through branches and wood, which is crucial when you're out in the wild. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're preparing firewood or making shelter, you need a reliable tool that won't let you down. Plus, it's lightweight and compact, fitting easily into your backpack or tool bag. Now, some people complained about the folding mechanism being a bit stiff at first. Here's the thing though, once you work it a few times, it loosens up. And considering the price, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a camper looking for a reliable and budget-friendly saw. Skip this one if you prefer a larger fixed blade saw for heavy-duty work. For under $20, it offers
Product number 2, Morakniv Companion, Orange. Next up is the Morakniv Companion Fixed Blade Knife, priced at just $15.89. This knife really stands out with its bright orange handle, making it easy to spot in the wilderness. If you're looking for a dependable companion for outdoor tasks, this is worth a serious look. The 4.1-inch stainless steel blade is incredibly sharp and holds an edge well, which means you can rely on it for various tasks like carving and food prep. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Its design is not just about looks. That blade is made of Swedish stainless steel, which is known for durability and rust resistance. So whether you're whittling, slicing, or even doing some light chopping, this knife will handle it well. Now, some users mention that the handle can feel a bit thin and uncomfortable during extended use. But honestly, for a knife in this price range, I think it's a fair trade-off for the performance you get. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, no-frills bushcraft knife. Skip this one if you have larger hands and need a thicker grip. At this price point, it's a steal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might...
Product number 3, Morakniv Companion, Black. The Morakniv Companion stainless steel fixed blade knife in black is another fantastic option, priced at $15.75. If you want a knife that's reliable and functional without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Just like its orange counterpart, it features a 4.1-inch blade made from Swedish stainless steel, giving it impressive sharpness and edge retention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having a well-built knife means you can tackle everything from food prep to emergency tasks easily. The block handle also provides a more subdued look, which some users prefer in the wild. Now, some users reported that the sheath can be a bit loose, which makes it easy for the knife to slip out inadvertently. But I'll be real with you, as long as you're cautious, it should serve you well. This is perfect for you if you want a functional, budget-friendly knife that looks a bit stealthy. Skip this one if you need a knife that firmly locks.
Product number 4, Freelander Japanese Knife. Now, let's talk about the Freelander Japanese fixed blade knife, which comes in at $44.99. This knife has a heavy-duty build that really caught my attention. If you need a robust tool for tough survival situations, this is worth a serious look. It features a D2 steel blade with a thick spine that measures 6 millimeters, making it perfect for those tougher tasks like batoning and heavy cutting. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That thickness means it can withstand significant pressure without bending or breaking, which is crucial when you're relying on it for survival tasks. Plus, the included sheath provides good protection and easy access. Now, I did find that some users felt the handle could be a bit slippery, especially in wet conditions. Here's the thing though, a little grip tape can solve that issue easily, and it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a solid knife for camping or survival situations. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter knife for everyday carry. For the quality you get, it's a solid investment. Okay, now if you're looking for something premium that really stands out, you're gonna want to...
Product number 5, Morakniv Garberg. Last but not least is the Morakniv Garberg, priced at $99.99.
This knife is the heavyweight champion of bushcraft knives. If you're serious about survival and want a top-tier tool, this is worth a serious look. The Garberg features a full-tang carbon steel blade, which not only increases its durability, but also ensures excellent balance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A full tang means the blade runs the entire length of the handle, providing better strength and control during use. Plus, it comes with a sturdy sheath that allows for various carry options. Now, some users have mentioned that it may be overkill for simple tasks. But honestly, if you're really into bushcraft and survival, having a knife that can tackle just about anything is incredibly reassuring. This is perfect for you if you want a premium knife that stands up to rigorous use. Skip this one.
So to recap, we've looked at the Craft 911 folding saw for versatility, the Morakniv Companion in orange for budget-friendly reliability, the black version for a stealthy look, the Freelander for heavy-duty tasks, and the premium Morakniv Garberg for serious survivalists. Each knife brings something unique to the table, so think about what fits your needs best.